Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you will all fine. Me is called gohar burki. Today is my topic about report. How to create report of the current map. I'm explain this procedure for the beginner students of Arcgis and remote sensing who want to learn A to Z about Arcgis. Watch this playlist in my channel gohar burki and watch every one video from start to end. Now we will start about how to create reports. Here click on view and reports, create report. This is a layer table already. This is my this map you current on the screen, KP map final, and add the district and COVID-19. The two fields are added and also ID. It's okay. And then next. ID, then district and COVID-19 already added. It's okay. I want to show how to create report. This is the simple method and it's my data is very simple for just for you people for procedure how to create a report of the current map. Then next. Okay. Here the orientations, portrait and landscape and save it. They are different layout of the report. Then next, there are the fonts style. There are different font style, and you select one of them. Okay. Then next, this is the name you create report KP map. So okay. Here you change the name. Then finish. The report will be shown on this format. Here IDs 1012 and district Kohistan, Chatral, Swat, and here is COVID-19. Then after that, how to save this report? Then you click on this print, and then you a Fox reader. So okay, then print. This is automatically save on desktop. It will be save. Cross them and go to desktop. Look it. This is the report about the current map. It's okay. Today for enough. Watch my video start to end. Any problem, comments on the description of video, and I am answer to you people. It's okay. Thanks for watching.